Hi, welcome to Legend Classes. Today we are going to start with one of the new subject, that is of psychology. Okay, we all know psychology. What is meant by psychology is very vigorous and very interesting subject which is of psychology. Okay, when he hears the psychology word itself, we will have numerous doubts regarding the behavior and so many interesting things we can learn from the psychology. Okay, the psychology word is derived from Greek. Okay, which is the word which has been derived from Greek. That is often a psyche means logy. Psyche means mind and logy means study. This is the psychology where we have the factors and it has been derived from Greek word. Psyche means mind and logy means study, which is psychology is nothing but study of the mind. Okay, do you get me? Psychology is study of mind, very numerous, right? We have so many things to learn. Previously, do you know who termed the coined of psychology? Okay, term the coined of psychology is, and the father of psychology we can say psychology. Do you know who is father of psychology? Wundt. Okay, Wilhelm Wundt is the first psychologist where he made his first psychology laboratory in Germany and UK countries, where he have an interest in dealing with the human behavior. The psychology is which deals with completely with the human behavior and attitudes and reaction towards the actions of the other person and reacting towards the environment and towards the conversations, how a person will behave with all the people. Okay, the psychology is also called as a scientific study and a systemic study of a human behavior from the term of birth till the time of death. That is called as a human psychology or human behavior. Okay, which will be very classified and termly with a systematic way and scientifical way. What do you mean by systematic and scientific? The systematic in the sense where there is a sequence in briefing out. Sequence in the sense, if it is as one numerical number 1, then the sequence will be the 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is of a sequence in systematic way. There is a law and orders even in the principles in of psychology. Okay, when we goes with the psychological studies, it is of whole demand of the dependence and behavior of a person with the brain conscious, right? Why the brain is giving impulses only, the human beings are trying to act as per the impulses given by the brain. Okay, that is also a study of even brain which is giving the impulse to the humans or human beings, and the process till from the birth to death, that will be in a scientific, in which group of age what you are going to be behave, that is psychology. Okay, as all the people says, when you are a kid you love to play in the mud, right? And you love to play in water. That is often a scientifically proved. When we see the children, that is says that they want to play in mud and water usually. When you grow up in an adult age, you doesn't like to play in the mud or water. You want to play with mobiles right now, automobiles, and they want to go with the technology what is going on. So when you are growing, your age is growing up, your interest will be varies from day by day. As your age is growing on, your interest and motives and drives will be changed. Okay, as of psychology they says it is often a study of mind, but they have made it is a study of soul firstly, and they made it into mind, and they made it into experience. Why the experience? Okay, soul, mind and experience, now it is called as feelings of a human being. So gradually the interest or the feelings is nothing but behavior. Okay, behavior of a person is changing, as the psychologists they had made the variations in defining the psychology or human behavior in day by day. In ancient days it is a study of soul and mind. Okay, as of the days are coming in modernly, they are made it is an experience of the person. Okay, the people will see some of the opposite person, or they are having some of the favoritism, right? When they are in teenagers from 13 to 22 or till the 19 ages of age group, they will have a heroism, in the sense if they like one of the person, okay, like example celebrities or some of the leader, some of the freedom fighters or some of their role models, teachers or the members within the family, so they will have a heroism towards them. They likes to behave as of them. That is the psychology which they will learn from the experience. Okay, this is the experience what the modern psychologist says, that their human behavior will be have an experience thing. So if someone is doing, next you want to do it. Why? You want to know the experience or feeling within the work what the others people are doing. So the psychologist has been made that grading from soul to mind and mind to experience and experience to feeling and behavior. Every person is have an individual behavior, right? Every individual is different from one another. If an colleague is behavior in a professional way, you might have a behavior of naughty way, but that doesn't say that your behavior is not good or whether your behavior is good, but it says the only thing is, as all the human beings are not same in behaving or in reacting towards the timings even. Okay, if someone is an angry mood, some people will have an irritation, okay, short temper, because this is all depends on the psychology reacting towards some of the things in the world or which are going around your surroundings in the environment. That is goes with the human behavior. And if some people will react even very cool with smile, why they will react in very cool with an pleasure mind, smiling on the face, even in some of the conditions where they have to give an answer very rudely or with some of the punishment shouting, but they will not respond in such way, because the human behavior is different from one another. Some people want to give the answer in a common way, some people want to give an answer in rude way, and some people want to show their anger, so it will be showing physically and psychologically. Physical in the sense they want to beat, they want to scratch something, they will behave in a mental way. Okay, that is goes with the feelings and behavior of an individual. This is how the psychologist all the made these all of the differences. Okay, and the psychology is having so many types of branches. Even the psychology scope is nothing but where the scope of psychology is to understand everyone. Okay, scope is nothing but importance also. The scope is having so many are there in psychology. Nowadays the psychology is a very big branch, okay, where it has been divided into so many various different types of branches where they are using in all the sectors, like social psychology. Okay, social psychology is very important. Social psychology, individual psychology, child psychology, industrial psychology, genetic psychology. Okay, so many are there. And political psychology. Okay, we can see of even political psychology. So these are the some of the types which are present in psychology. Okay, that is of these and all the scopes. Okay, when you have a capability to understand a person's psychology very easily, you can live in the earth or environment very easily to have to face all the problems with a cool and positive enforcement. So in psychology we have a positive enforcement and negative enforcement. In the sense, if you are thinking positively, your psychology will makes you to mold in the positive way. If once you thought to think in a negative way, everything you will see in a negative manner. You cannot mold yourself to into a positive way. Why? Your heart and mind will be works coordinatingly. when it comes with the psychology, only your mind and soul will work out. So if you are thinking humanically, or when you have a human being thoughts, as of normal human beings, we will have so many of flush solutions or flush problems, flush thinkings, but you should not go with that one. You have to think with your brain. Okay, when your brain says that something which you have to think positively and negatively, that will be depend on your psychology. Why the psychology will helps you to go with positive or negative thinking, or the ways, in the sense you will have a cognitive, okay, cognition, motor system, sensory system, cognitive system, these and all we will comes in the anatomy and physiology. So as of the anatomy is there in our human body, so the psychology also will be the same thing, where it going to be work in the same process. So as of your cognitions, as of your motor system, as of your effectiveness, okay, the effectiveness, what you are keeping effective, in the sense you are keeping all your work and strength to make it that work to complete within a time being. So you are showing some of the effects or efforts you are putting to complete a task. So that effects, from that efforts where you are getting, in the sense you think your psychology that I should complete the task within this time being period, or in this duration of time, so that your mind says that fix within the time. So your body also will be react towards your mind or the impulses which has been given, or the stimulation. Okay, mainly the brain goes with the stimulation.